Oh my God, you guys, you are not going to believe this. In the Chad Daybell case, the state has rested their case. The prosecution has rested their case, and the court, I'm still in shock. As I predicted, the defense moved for judgment of acquittal, saying, that they hadn't proved their case, that kind of thing. It's a motion that's always made at the end of the prosecution's case. Well, at the end of this argument, the judge points out that the charging document, the first charging document said that the dates for the death of J.J. Vallow were between September 22nd and 23rd. Then the prosecution amended that charging document to say the death occurred between September 8th and 9th for J.J. Vallow. We know that's a huge mistake. That was Tylee Ryan's dates of death. So, of course, John Pryor, the defense attorney, moves for directed verdict. And so the judge is like, state, what do you have to say? He said the law is pretty clear that you have up until the time you rest your case to amend your charging document. You amend the indictment. You didn't do that. We know that there's no evidence presented at this trial that J.J. Vallow's death occurred between September 8th and 9th. He was alive after the 9th. We know that. Oh my God. So he has given the state till 2:30, I think it's Mountain Time, to come back with a response to this motion for directed verdict. So Chad Daybell he might get a directed verdict on that. In other words, not guilty, because the charging document is wrong. The dates of the death are wrong. What? Well, but I have to say, that's just J.J. Vallow. He would still be, we'd still have the defense moving forward on Monday on the case against his client for the deaths of Tylee Ryan and Tammy Daybell. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.